Hey, pickle people, it's time for a pickle review. I've been very anxious about this one, anxious to do it. I bought these last night, Grillos Pickles Hot. Been hearing really good things about Grillos. It's never had a Grillo pickle, so we're going to give it a try. I'm thinking it's going to be similar to a Clausen deli style pickle because that's where they were in the store in the cold refrigerator section. So here we go. Let's give it a try. Oh man. Let me show you this. There's all kind of peppers and stuff. If you can see that. Look at that sitting on top. There you go. All kind of peppers. Look like habaneros, those orange ones. Jalapeno. Oh boy. All right. Here we go. There you go. That's a Grillo. Check it out. Of course, it's a great crunch. Not really hot. Just a little bit of heat. But it's got a good pepper flavor. I can definitely taste the pepper. Not really hot though. I think I need another one. Okay. After eating two of them, it is like a Clausen. I see why people really like these though. It's got that freshness of a Clausen, but to me it's maybe a little more briny. Not that bitterness that I think Tyree mentioned. He doesn't like Clausens because they're bitter. Yeah, so this doesn't have that bitter edge. That's a good pickle. I really like it. Yeah. Gosh, you know what? Let me taste the juice. Man, it's good, but gosh, I'm going to be honest. I think Clausen is better to me. Maybe it's just because it's what I grew up eating. But I like these a lot. I would put these over Vlasic. Neck and neck with Clausen. I think I need another one. Very good though. It's just some kind of freshness about it. You know, it's got this little, looks like a grape leaf or something. I feel like I'm getting some other kind of flavor. And I wonder if it's that leaf. They're good. It was worth the wait. I am a Grillo fan. All right. Be safe, be well. God bless. Power to the pickle.